this here. Kind of like roll it in it. Make it nice and tight. Now this is kind of a messy job, so if you don't like doing stuff messy, better find someone else that's going to do it. Okay, once you get that wrapped, try and squeeze it down. Find the center here. Okay. Now you gotta push it through to the other side. Now this goes this way. And this tends to be a little tricky. So I'm gonna do this a while. Okay, got that all the way through there. See how it should come out the other side, the excess. And you're still gonna you're gonna have to push that down in and try and find that center part. Feel it. Now, I did not do this completely right because, yeah, I'm going to have to rip some of this off. I can't find the center. You try and pack as much as you can in there. You want as much as, well, I want as much as I can get in there. That's the whole point in repacking it. Okay, there, I pushed it in there. Now I gotta open this hole here. There. Now you can see through the hole. I guess you put, there you go. It's open. Push it all the way through. Push this on a little more.